In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the GoDaddy Coming Soon page from your website step by step. If you've connected your domain but visitors still see a parked page or a Coming Soon message, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and it's usually quick to fix. I'll walk you through every possible scenario so you can get your real website live today. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software guides. Let's get started. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Head over to GoDaddy.com and click Sign In the top right corner. Enter your email and password associated with your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your account dashboard. From your dashboard, click on My Products. This section shows all the domains, hosting plans, and websites connected to your account. This is where we'll manage the settings that control your Coming Soon page. Now, under the Website section, find your Website Builder product and click Edit Website. This opens the GoDaddy Website Builder editor. If your site is showing a Coming Soon page because it hasn't been customized yet, here's what you need to do. Once inside the editor, click the Add Section button, which looks like a plus icon. Scroll through the options and select HTML if you want to add custom code, or simply choose any section layout you prefer. When you add a section, an editable content block will appear on your page. This allows you to replace the default Coming Soon content with your actual website content. Make any changes you want. Add text, images, services, contact information, or anything else relevant to your business. Once you've made your edits, look at the top right corner and click Publish. This step is extremely important. If you don't click Publish, the Coming Soon page will remain active. As soon as you publish, your live website should replace the Coming Soon screen. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem immediately. Now, let's talk about another common situation. Sometimes the Coming Soon page is coming directly from GoDaddy's Website Builder settings. To fix this, go back to your GoDaddy dashboard, click Website Builder, then select Edit Website again. Even if everything looks fine, make a small edit. For example, add a space somewhere, then click Publish again. Republishing forces GoDaddy to push the live version of your site to your domain. This simple refresh often resolves the issue completely. If you're still seeing a parked page, the issue may be related to your domain connection or DNS settings. This means your domain is not properly connected to your website builder. Here's how to fix that. Go to GoDaddy and click My Products. Under Website Builder, open your site and click Edit Website. Then click Publish. On the Publish screen, choose Connect Domain. You'll see a list of domains in your account. Select the correct domain name that you want connected to your website, then click Save or Connect. By doing this, you're telling GoDaddy exactly which website should display when someone types in your domain name. Once saved, give it a few minutes. In some cases, DNS changes can take up to a few hours to fully update worldwide, but often it updates much faster. If the Coming Soon page was caused by a GoDaddy parked domain page, properly connecting and publishing your domain will fix it. After the connection is complete, refresh your browser or check your site in an incognito window to confirm the change. So, to quickly recap, log into GoDaddy, go to My Products, click Edit Website, make sure your site has real content instead of the default template, click Publish, and confirm your domain is properly connected under the Connect Domain settings. One of these steps will remove the GoDaddy Coming Soon page and make your live website visible to everyone. I hope this guide helped you get your website live. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.